It is now 4:00 p.m. on August 11th Beijing time. The video yesterday suggested that EURUSD should sell short above 1.1063. After the release, the highest price was 1.1065, which was just the entry point. After entering the market, the lowest price was 1.0976. Those who pay attention to the video to operate have a profit margin of 87 to 89 points to grasp. Lao Dai reminded the group to sell when the exchange rate fell to 1.1013, earning $500 to $520 per lot. Then there's gold. Since we sold the long orders below 1915 for a small profit yesterday morning, there have been no obvious trading opportunities. On the other hand, it is also to avoid the US CPI data, so we didn't operate gold yesterday. In addition to manual orders, Lao Dai's main account has always used EA programs to automatically trade high-weight EURUSD. From August 1st to today, the cumulative income is $70,459, which is an increase of $5,011 compared with yesterday when the video was recorded. Moreover, after entering August, the market has gradually stabilized and the income was gradually increased after the market is active. It is expected that the monthly rate of return will reach 17% by the end of August. If you want to observe the historical operation records and the whole process of daily real-time transactions, enter the contact information on the screen to ask me for the mail account password, and you will have a week of observation time. If it suits you, consider joining the trader group or participating in account management business to copy trading. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. Last night, the US CPI rose slightly from the previous 3% to 3.2%, which raised the expectation that the Federal Reserve will continue to raise interest rates in the second half of the year. Before the Jackson Hole Global Central Bank meeting at the end of August, if there is no more news to intervene, the US index may fluctuate upwards. The resistance above EURUSD remains unchanged around 1.1050, and it is recommended to short sell EURUSD at 1.1045 to 1.1110 and put the stop loss at 1.1120. However, gold is affected by the data and the lowest test is 1910. The medium and long-term support limits a further downward space of gold price, and the upper resistance is farther away at 1950. On the whole, we need to wait for 1906 to 1895 to do long, and put the stop loss at 1893. It is easy to change loss on Friday, so pay attention to setting stop losses. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lao Dai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from George Soros.